Alexander Green claims he found the next trillion-dollar stock, but as usual there's a catch. He won't tell you the name of this secret stock unless you buy his expensive newsletter. But don't worry, I have good news. Green left enough clues in the presentation to figure out the name of the stock, and in this video, I'll reveal it for free. I'll also give you an overall summary of the company so you can decide if it's worth investing in. Watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important information. Let's take a look at some of his past recommendations to get a sense of his track record. In October 2022, Green recommended Flex LNG as a bet on natural gas production in the US. He predicted the stock could soar to $280, but that hasn't happened. In fact, the stock has actually lost value over the past year. Then, in June 2023, Green called FIGS the next big American superstock, expecting it to skyrocket, but it went in the exact opposite direction. Later, in October 2023, he recommended Exscientia, claiming a modest investment in this stock could set you up for life. While that may still happen, it certainly hasn't yet. In June 2024, Green recommended Recursion Pharmaceuticals in the AI drug discovery space, predicting it would one day be worth $1 trillion. But in reality, the stock has lost value over the past 6 months. Now let's get back to Green's latest teaser. In a previous video, I talked about Green's Magnificent 7 stocks, which he claimed could turn a $1,000 investment into millions. You can watch that video after this one. But there was one bonus stock I didn't cover at the time. Green calls it the #1 AI hypergrowth stock, and that's the one I'll be diving into today. Here's what Green has to say about this stock. This hypergrowth AI stock has more short-term potential than anything else I'm seeing because here's what it does. It helps other businesses use AI to supercharge their industries. Remember earlier I talked about how every business and every piece of commerce would be impacted by AI? Well, this company does that. The company actually helps build AI bots and algorithms that can help other companies greatly enhance productivity. Also, he drops this clue about sales figures, which is why sales jumped from $607 million in 2021 to $1.3 billion in 2024. The stock Green was hyping up is UiPath, and the ticker symbol is PATH. UiPath is a leading company in the robotic process automation space, offering software solutions that use robotic automation to help businesses streamline repetitive and rule-based tasks across various applications. By deploying software robots that mimic human actions, such as data entry, file manipulation, and transaction processing, UiPath enhances operational efficiency and reduces costs for its customers. However, the market opportunity for robotic process automation may be overhyped, with competitors like Microsoft and Automation Anywhere taking market share, making it harder for UiPath to maintain its growth trajectory. The company also faces customer concentration risk, as a significant portion of its revenue depends on a small number of high-value enterprise customers, leaving it vulnerable if it loses a major client. Additionally, UiPath's revenue growth has slowed, which raises concerns for investors who typically rely on rapid expansion in growth stocks. Despite these challenges, UiPath is still valued at a premium compared to its peers, with a high price-to-sales ratio that may not be justified by its current performance. Profitability remains a concern, as the company continues to invest heavily in research, development, and customer acquisition, leading to ongoing cash burn and pressure on its margins. While UiPath boasts impressive technology and an intriguing narrative, its slowing growth, ridiculously high valuation, dependence on a few key customers, and ongoing profitability issues make it a risky investment at the moment. For these reasons, UiPath might not be a great stock to buy right now. Now, if you found this video valuable and you're interested in building long-lasting wealth, I have just the thing for you. Unlike digital currencies like Bitcoin, which are based on pure hype, gold has been valuable for literally thousands of years, and many investors even call it God's money. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, I have a gift for you. Just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.